how to activate your HSBC debit card in just a few steps. It's quick, easy, and you'll be ready to use your card in no time. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following information ready: your HSBC debit card, your HSBC account details, your registered mobile number. Having these in hand will make the process smoother. HSBC offers multiple ways to activate your debit card. You can do it online via the mobile app or by phone. I'll walk you through each method so you can choose the one that's most convenient for you. First, let's look at the online method. Visit the HSBC website and log into your online banking account. Now you need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the card section. Select Activate Card. Enter your card details as prompted, then confirm the verification and activation. It's that simple. Now let's move on to the HSBC mobile app. Open the HSBC mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your credential, then tap on the Cards tab. Select your new debit card and tap Activate. And that's all there is. Easy, right? Finally, if you prefer to activate your card by phone, here's how you can do it. Call the HSBC customer service number. You can find this on the sticker on your new card or on the HSBC website. Follow the automated instructions or speak to a representative. Provide your card details and any requested security information. Then confirm the activation, and that's it. Your HSBC debit card is now activated and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.